Hey everyone, I'm Adnan and I'm a developer advocate here at the Cube team. Today I'll show you how to connect Streamlit to Cube. Now, Streamlit, as you might know, is a super simple app that lets you turn data scripts into shareable web apps. And it's just an easy way of handling data notebooks. So now let me just jump right into Cube Cloud. I want to open the playground and I want to run a query of the data that I want to display inside of Streamlit. So I'm just running an orders count and I'm grouping it by status. Pretty simple. Now let's move over to Streamlit and get started. So I've created a super simple notebook file and I've added the Postgres code to connect to database. So luckily enough, this is the way you connect to Cube Cloud SQL API. So let's just jump over to Cube Cloud back here, go to the overview, click on the Connect SQL API, and here, let's grab the host. Let's paste it here in the host. Then let's go ahead and grab the database name. Here we go. Paste in the database name. Go back to here, grab the password and paste the password right here. The username is Cube. So let's just write that down and save that up. That's it. Now this will connect to Cube's SQL API. And now from here, I just want to run a simple sample query just to make sure this is all working fine. So let me uncomment this snippet of code. We're running just a simple select star from orders. We're grabbing the read SQL query. So we're using the read SQL query method from pandas. And we're just creating a data frame, and it's just a simple table. So yeah, let's just jump over to Streamlit. Go ahead and reload this and confirm that the sample query is working fine. And it is perfect. So we're getting this nice table for the sample query. So now from here, we can go ahead and add the query we ran in Cube Cloud just a moment ago. So let's go ahead and comment this one out. Let's add in the query from Cube Cloud by grouping. We want to group the orders count by status. We're doing the same pandas read SQL query and we're putting it in a data frame. Let's save this up. Let's reload the Streamlit instance. And perfect. This is exactly what we wanted. But from here, we want to also create a chart. And you do that in Streamlit by first using the pivot table method. And then from there, we can use the bar chart method from Streamlit and pass it the value of the pivot table. Awesome. Let's save that up. And now reload Streamlit. And here you can see, perfect. So here you can see the chart getting rendered just as we want to. And that's pretty much it. You're loading data from Cube into Streamlit. And a good thing to know is that you will have a query cache for every identical query you run, for every subsequent identical query you run. And if you want something more complex like pre-aggregations or anything else, you can always check our documentation for more reference. And that's it for this video. Until next one, see you.